Hello future engineers, welcome back to Cutoff 360. In this video we are going to talk about TS EAMCET, Kakatiya Institute of Technology Phase 1 official cutoff rank for different courses. So first in the list we have Civil Engineering. So as you can see on the screen, for BCA boys the official cutoff rank is 61,754. For BCB boys the cutoff rank is 82,674. For OC boys the cutoff rank is 52,373, and for OC girls the cutoff rank is 31,819. Next in the list we have CSE network. So as you can see on the screen, for BCA boys the cutoff rank is 44,616. For BCA boys the cutoff rank is 36,833. For OC boys the cutoff rank is 28,960, and for OC girls the cutoff rank is 28,323. Next in the list we have CSE. So for BCA boys the cutoff rank is 38,143. For BCB boys the cutoff rank is 24,615. For OC boys the cutoff rank is 16,615, and for OC girls the official cutoff rank is 15,744. Next we have CSE AI and ML. So as you can see on the screen, for BCA boys the cutoff rank is 43,536. For BCB boys the cutoff rank is 25,309. For OC boys the cutoff rank is 10,409, and for OC girls the cutoff rank is 14,231. Next we have CSE in data science. So for BCB boys the official cutoff rank is 44,670. For BCB boys the cutoff rank is 28,381. For OC boys the cutoff rank is 18,099, and for OC girls the cutoff rank is 15,978. Next in the list we have CSE IoT engineering. So for BCA boys the cutoff rank is 72,908. For BCB boys the cutoff rank is 39,613. For OC boys the cutoff rank is 30,750, and for OC girls the cutoff rank is 29,672. Next we have EEE. So for BCA boys the official cutoff rank is 83,792. For BCB boys the official cutoff rank is 45,038. For OC boys the cutoff rank is 24,105, and for OC girls the official cutoff rank is 37,287. Next we have ECE. So as you can see on the screen, for ECE, for BCA boys the cutoff rank is 54,781. For BCB boys the cutoff rank is 39,776. For OC boys the cutoff rank is 28,283, and for OC girls the cutoff rank is 29,083. Last in the list we have ECE IE. So for BCA boys the cutoff rank is 95,543. For BCB boys the official cutoff rank is 61,506. For OC boys the cutoff rank is 42,865, and for OC girls the official cutoff rank is 49,387. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the data present in it, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Also, if you wish to get more updates on different college wise cutoff, then make sure to stay tuned to the channel, and also you can comment down the name of the college so that we can provide more cutoff data for different colleges. Thank you.